Hello and welcome to a very challenging topic, core versus interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. First, we'll talk about core branches of linguistics. Let's first discuss about the word core. What does it mean? It refers to central part of something. In other words, we can say the part of something that is central to its existence or character. Now, let us put the two words together, core and branches, which become core branches. That means central branches with which tree of linguistics grows, upon which pillar of linguistics stands. That is to say, without core branches, linguistics as a discipline cannot exist. We must understand that linguistics is a branch of a study. It is a science of a discipline that deals with the structure of language. And when we talk about the structure of language, it fully depends upon core branches of linguistics. In fact, without core branches of linguistics, linguistics as a discipline does not exist. And what are the core branches of linguistics? The first one is phonetics, the second one is phonology, the third one is morphology, the fourth one is syntax, the fifth one is semantics, and the sixth one is pragmatics. They are the most important branches of linguistics, core branches of linguistics, fundamentals of linguistics, without which linguistics as a discipline, linguistics as a subject cannot talk about structure of language. In fact, they are the nervous systems of language, central parts of language. Now, let's talk about interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. What are they? The word interdisciplinary is divided into two segments, two parts, inter and disciplinary. The word inter comes from Latin, and the word disciplinary also comes from Latin. Inter in Latin means between, and disciplinary, this word comes from a Latin word disciplina, which means teaching or knowledge. Now together, if we put the two words interdisciplinary, it means between fields, between two fields or three fields or more than one field, of course. So between fields, but they don't have to be unrelated disciplines or fields. They must be somehow interrelated. They must have some sort of connecting bond between the two disciplines and the two subjects. And this leads to a concept of interdisciplinary studies, and they involve the combination of multiple academic disciplines into one activity, into one branch of a study, into one field of a study. So what we come to the point is that linguistics as a subject studies structure of language as well as use of language. That is to say, language use, how language is used. Structure of language depends fully upon core branches of linguistics, which we just talked about. And use of language, it belongs to the area of interdisciplinary branches of linguistics, in which we come to study the way language is used. And this can cover a very broad range of subjects. Why? Because language enters almost every area of human activity. In this way, we come to the point that what could be the major interdisciplinary branches of linguistics? The first one is, and the most popular one is psycholinguistics. Second one is sociolinguistics, neurolinguistics, applied linguistics, computational linguistics, comparative linguistics, historical linguistics, and stylistics. We have many other interdisciplinary branches of linguistics, but they are the major segments, major interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. Hope you understand the difference between core and interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. Thank you and goodbye.